Welcome to my channel, WinDev. So today we're going to be making a calculator in easy steps, okay? I have had like trouble doing these when I started coding, but I still do have problems, okay? All right, let's see the raw version of what I'm doing, okay? All right, so let's we have three files: index, main.js, and style sheet. We gotta link them together. Um, Sorry about that, y'all. So we gotta link them together. That CSS and also now script. Let's do main. Okay, now we're connected. Okay, we're just gonna make a simple calculator like the one I'm doing right here. Okay, this is it. It's very simple, y'all. Nothing fancy. I just want to show y'all, you know, the functionalities. Okay, when you click these, it won't work. Okay, now let's close this up, and let's get started. First off, wait, why do I close that? Okay, first off, we need to look at these. Okay, we need to make exactly these. So how are we gonna do it? First off, we're gonna have input, and then we're gonna call it value. We're gonna have a value of 0 starting, okay, like that. And then we're gonna have different rows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got 5 rows. Call it div, and also we need a container. Okay, let's do that. We're gonna call it container, and then we're gonna have a different rows. Row 1 is a div. We're gonna have a button that says AC, and then percentage sign, and then that, and delete. Okay, and the second row, just name it class. It won't really matter. First row, none of these are matter. Okay, we don't care about these yet. And then the second one, it's a 7, 8, 9, and multiplication, and so on. 4, 5, 6 minus, and then different one, 1, 2, 3 plus, and then last one, it's a 0 dot, and then equals. Okay, look, when we do dot, it shouldn't, well, whatever. It's okay, we can do that. Alrighty, close that. We can close this, and we have these. Okay, we're gonna have a easy style. We're gonna go with button. We want to style up a button, font size of 30 pixels, right? Make it a little bit bigger, but it is your call, whatever you want to do with it. With 70, at least like that, right? Yep. And then we want to do display. We're gonna call it display, Did we already name that? Nope. Call the class display. Got it. We got the display. We want to do height of 40 pixels and then width of 400 pixels. No, that's too big. 300 to 50 to 80 to 85 at least. Okay, we got that. I said we wanted to put it in the middle, but I don't want to put it there, okay? I know I'm going back and forth on my word, but this is good enough, okay? We don't care about the CSS, we just want to know how to solve this problem. Do this. Okay, let's go ahead and get on with JavaScript. What do we need to grab? First, we need to grab all the buttons, right? We do with this document dot query selector all, and we want all the buttons. Okay, on the button, and then a display const display. Why do we need display? Let's see. Query selector display. Okay, alrighty. Why do we need that? Let's see. So display whatever you want to tell it. Right, we have a value and we want to say hello. See, it will show up there. See, every time we do something, we want to send it over there. Okay, we need that. We need all the buttons. Now we go with buttons that for each we want to loop all the each button. And what do we want to do? We want to listen for button add event listener. That's for clicking. When you click on it, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, we need target and console.log target inner text. Okay, now let's see what we got here. Click on it, we got all of these. Okay, oh, we need 8, not 9. There we go, we got all the stuff. Okay, now that's what it does. Now we want to create something, a function const, call it calculate, and then inside that calculate we need a value. We're gonna call it button value. Okay, we want to bring something in, and let's see. Okay, button value. I just want to show y'all step by step. I'm gonna call this function here calculate, and we got the input right here. Right now when we click on it, we get the same thing. Right, okay, now how do we display up here? Let's try that. We want to go here, we want to do display dot value equals that. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, we got all of those. Notice when you click 1 2 3, it doesn't add it together, and that's because we need to have a variable, let's call it output, and set it to empty. So each time we want to add it to this variable, right, until we click this, and it should do the calculations. But for now, let's see. output plus and minus. That's how we set a value. Okay, let's see. Plus and minus that. Plus and minus, plus and minus. Okay, this is how we add it to that. And let's output it, okay? Let's console log output. Let's see, 7. See, they're all together now. Got it? All right. Since we got that, we want to add not the button value, output now, right? We got that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Interesting, right? But of course, we're just not going to do that. If we do equals, it won't work. Now, in order to do some, I like this trick here where it says const special characters. We want all the special characters in an array plus minus and then times divide and then this. What else? We want an equal sign, okay? We want all that. Now let's do this. So right now, if we do this, it's gonna show up, right? And we don't want it to show up like that. So in order to prevent that, we want to do output if it's equal to, if output equals to empty, and special characters that includes, right, includes the button value. We want to return it. We don't want to do anything. Okay, so this, see, it won't work. Oh yeah, we have to do delete del and then AC. It won't work, right? Nothing works now. That's good. That's what we want. But if we do like that, that should work. Okay. All right. Now, if we do if button value btn value equals to the equal sign and output does not equals empty, what do we want to do? We want to output and we want to set to eval. This is very cool, right? Output, and then we do else, just add that. Let's see. Dude, see, it's doing calculation already, but this doesn't work yet. See, this right here, it's solving everything. Right, 9 times 2 should be 18. Yeah, and we want to be able to delete this. How do we do that? We can do that by before else. Do else if we want to check it again. Else if button value equals to the AC or button value equals to delete. We want to, what do? We want to set the output to empty, okay? Empty. There we go. Yeah, that's about it, you know? That's pretty much it. It's so easy, right? And we got 39, 7 divided by 2. We got 3.5. So That's so easy. And you can even do -3, and that's it, y'all. Hopefully y'all can understand what's going on here and hear each line of what it does. And thank you so much for today, y'all, and hopefully y'all will learn something and keep up the good work.